This system is intended to assist in the education and training of wildland fire behavior and firefighting tactics. While it is not appropriate for accurately predicting real incidents, it does depict the behavior of realistic fires. First, place the sandbox on a table and open the lid. Make sure the projector is in a fixed location. Then place the depth camera in line with the projector's surface. Make sure you first calibrate the camera by following the directions as described in the software. Then you create a new scenario from scratch or import previously saved data. Select the wind and weather conditions and set the scale as desired. It is also possible to upload a map or satellite picture if you wish. By adapting the opacity, you can start modeling the shown landscape. Draw on the landscape by using different field models and adapt the brush size as required. It is also possible to insert lines for different types of streets in respect to how they will influence fire's behavior. If not already done, form the sand according to the topography that you want to train on and don't forget to hit scan. Before you start the visualization, you can place one or more initial fires and set the scenario start time. Surfaces that are burning are shown in red, and burnt surfaces are shown in black. For tactical training, you can set different firefighting measures and see the impact on the fire spread. You can increase or decrease the simulation speed. You can pause or rewind the scenario, or you can set it back to its initial state. You can adjust the weather conditions as you prefer, either while the system is playing or paused.